Ay, ang ganda. Para artista.
Guys, so ayun na nga. So we're going to Baku. So kararating lang namin dito sa may Etihad Plaza. Pwede kayo dito mag-parking kapag kababiyahe kayo ng Abu Dhabi going anywhere. So for today, we're actually traveling to Baku. And dito kami magpa-park. We only paid around 12 dirhams, 15 dirhams actually per day. And then meron naman mga taxi dito na dumadaan. So kadarating lang natin sa may Zayed International Airport. Yeah, what's the name?
Okay.
Jennifer Bulalin.
Where is Jennifer?
Where is Jennifer? Where is Jennifer? Arrived here at Baku Airport. So, what's your name, brother? What's your name?
My name is Khan.
Huh?
Khan.
We're gonna go to the hotel. And then we're gonna meet Farid. Siya yung tour guide namin. Alright, it's nice to be back. We're here now. Oh my God, may pausok agad. This is Karen, si Kay. And this is Aimee. And this is Sunshine. And Claire. And that's our driver, si Khan. Punta na kami sa service. Medyo malamig, super actually. Yeah. So, what's the name of the restaurant? What's the name? Restaurant? Hila. So, they gave us a flag of Azerbaijani and Philippine flag. We're gonna have a quick breakfast here because we're so hungry na before checking into the hotel. So we're going to try and visit the Gold Kabbalah Sweets house. Tignan natin kung kamusta yung mga sweets nila rito. Masarap daw yung tea, sabi ni Farid, yung tour guide namin. So let's check it out. Guys, it's snowing here na. This is my first snow. Yes.
We are not enjoying the snow.
Yeah.
But we will enjoy snow in Shadak.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. This full snow covered.
Yeah.
More snow.
By the way, this is Farid, our tour guide. Hi girls! Hi! We're having a city tour sa Nizami Street. We're checking out some restaurants for dinner later. Lamig! Namulan na yung tenga ko daw. And then even my hands, namulan na siya. So napabili na ako ng gloves. Nakalimutan ko yung gloves sa hotel. Share! Natuloy din ang aming pinagpaplanuhang trip.
Yes!
And it's so nice kasi may pa-snow! clear ng skin ko rito. Ito pa isa, boom!
My number is in the call log.
Ayan, oh, yung face na ko. Ayan na.
May magalaw na.
Ayun! Pwede pala tayo mag-video pag ano.
Mati-shy naman. Teka lang, kami dalawa muna.
Ayan, detecting. Yan, galaw.
Kala ko nasira na yan. Kasi nabagsak ko yan eh.
Ganda!
I love it, the color. Everything good? We're going skiing! Tignan natin. Oh, I made it! Ay, Claire, nakapag-video na ako. Yeah? Videoan kita after. Yay! Okay, success. In fairness, I tried like 4 times. Thank you. Dalawa tayo o tatlo sila o tatlo, dalawa tayo na siya. Dalawa muna kami ni Shine. Ni ano ay Claire?
3 and 2.
2 or 3?
Okay, come 2. Come stay here. 2, 3.
2. Ito na. Bebe, tabi ka muna.
Sit down.
Can you see the roller coaster? How are you feeling, Joshi?
I'm so happy because I made it to ski and I recorded myself. How about you? How's the experience?
It's really good.
Yeah.
I feel like we're a pro now. Yeah, because naalala mo yung mga movie na nasa stuck dito.
Oo,
tapos para makasurvive, 'di ba, tumalon?
Walang paton sa mukha kasi malamang. 1, 2, 3, go!
sa mukha ko eh.
Isa pa, abe, sino yun? Ang bigat, ang sakit sa kamay.
Asan yung kamay mo?
So, pupunta tayo sa Fire Mountain. Let's see what they have here. And that would be all for our Baco trip. Till the next vlog, bye-bye!
Ay, ang ganda. Para artista.